In this video, we are going to explain about some certification that which help you to grow your career in cybersecurity and also bug bounty as well. So let's start in second. Okay, so um, first one is Allison courses. Yeah, this one. It's a free online courses, but you need to pay some fees to get some certification. Apart from that, all training is completely free. Okay, so here just search for cybersecurity. You will get so many free courses which is related to cybersecurity here. Okay, similarly, you can search for some international certification, for example, pen test. Yeah, here you can see the training for those international certifications also. You can get training for CH, CompTIA Pentest Plus, then CPENT, everything. You can get it for free here. Okay, but if you need certification, that you have to pay some fees. This is the best. Yeah, here you can filter it out. Okay, and this is the best site for free training in every domain, especially in cybersecurity. Okay, also you can search for Oxford Home Study Center cybersecurity courses. Free. Yeah, here you can get some free online certifications in cybersecurity or in IT related course. Also, you can check this thing. Okay. Mm, hello. Oh, okay. And one more thing, you can search for Palo Alto Networks training. You will get some few trainings in related to cybersecurity from this Palo Alto Networks domain. Mostly, I prefer to follow this site, Alison. Okay, it gives complete training in every field. If you want in SOC, you will get free here. If you want in Pentest, CH, Bug Bounty, you can get free training in this. Okay, Bug Bounty. So here's some free few Bug Bounty tips also, Bug Bounty courses also. Mobile application testing, DevOps, API pen testing. Okay, so if you want to improve your career, please make sure that please note that bug bounty hunting is not a one day process. You will not get a bug with 1 hour of pen testing. Okay, especially in the common platforms like HackerOne, Bugcrowd, and all. If you're working in a company and if you're getting a site, for example, abc.com is your target, which is provided by your company itself, obviously you can get bug in that. But if you are working as a freelancer or as a bug bounty hunter, you will not get bug in 1 or 2 hours or 1 or 2 days. You have to continuously practicing, continuously pen test that domain for 1 to 6 months also. Okay, so bug bounty hunting is not a 1 day or 1 hour process, it's a continuous journey. Okay, so to improve your skills in bug bounty hunting, you have to watch every courses that you got. Also, you have to read some books related to bug bounty hunting. If you want some book or PDF related to bug bounty hunting, just go to the github.com. 1 second. This is my GitHub link, and I have uploaded few PDF related to bug bounty. 1 second. Yeah, cybersecurity node PDF. Here one land bug bounty hunting. Okay. Yeah, bug bounty tips, है ना? This is bug bounty tips. You can get so many tips in this. Okay, please check this link, bug bounty tips. 2FA bypass, advanced accesses, everything you can get it here. GitHub docking, Google docking, ITOR, payloads. Okay, and yeah, this is bug bounty tips. Yeah, here in cybersecurity notes you will get same. It's mainly it's not related to bug bounty, but it's related to pen testing and soc courses. Okay, you can get few notes here. So if you want to improve your skill, you have to go through all of this document. Okay, so here is some one liner for bug bounty. Okay, I copied it somewhere else. So if you got some PDF or any text files, any documents, you can download that and upload it in your own GitHub. Okay, so I hope you understood what to follow, what to catch up to improve your bug bounty skill. First, you have to watch every video that you got. Second, you have to read every document. Then you have to read every bug bounty hunting reports that you got from HackerOne or from LinkedIn or from Twitter. Twitter is the best platform for a bug bounty hunter. There are so many bug bounty hunter who publish some one liners or tips in Twitter itself. So follow Twitter daily. Okay, and that's all for this video, and it's just for your information only. Thank you.